there's not much we're going to do with tan in this course, unfortunately. But the cool thing about it is we can actually use the graph to determine what are the values of each one of these. So in other words, what am I talking about? Think about this. This is the graph of tan of x. Now I'm going to replace each one by a value. Pi over 4, for example. Well, where's pi over 4? Well, here's pi. So how does this split this guy up? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at that. It splits it into 4s. So each one of these segments is pi over 4. There's pi over 4. There's 2 pi over 4, which we know now is, of course, our asymptote. Okay, this is going to be 3 pi over 4 here. That's going to be 4 pi over 4, just plain old pi. So let's find out what is the value of the graph at 3 pi over 4. Oh, well, look at that. It actually works out to be, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, my goodness. Pi over 4, of course, is 1. But how about 3 pi over 2? Well, I don't know where 3 pi over 2 is. I could do this graphically if I want, or I can actually even go into the calculator and just go, all right, tangent, come on you, there we go, tangent of 3 pi over 2. Okay, well, all right, so 3, well, I'm going to put, definitely put in a fraction, 3 pi over 2. Now, because I'm using radians, I better be in radians. And I've been in radians in my calculator for quite some time now here. So make sure you convert that. Otherwise, you're going to get one heck of a mess. Okay, enter. Oh, what's going on here? What? I just put it in. What are you talking about? Think about it. Read what it says. It's an error. The value entered is not allowed. What are you talking about? Go back to here. I'll show you. Where's 3 pi over 2? Okay, think about it. There's pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4, which is 3 pi over 2. Oh my gotcha. That's a non-permissible value. Sorry. That kind of froze me for a second there too. Look at this. Minus 5 pi over 4. Okay, let's do it. Let's go back. 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4. There's minus 5 pi over 4. Look at that. That gives me -1, doesn't it? Let's prove it. Let's go to our calculator. Let's get out of this mess first. Let's go back to here. Oh, let's clean it up. Here we go. Okay, that's better. Okay, let's go over to here, bring it down here, and change this to -5 pi over 4. -5, oh, pi over 4. There it is. That looks better. Punch it. -1, just as predicted. Cool. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, the next one is at 2 pi. Anything happening at 2 pi? Yeah, it's definitely 0. It's definitely 0. Okay, so we know that this one's -1. 2 pi is definitely 0. That's how it works. Pretty simple, eh?